Hey guys, so today I want to talk to you about adding in quotes to our writing. So, the reason we add in quotes is because we really want to bring a person to life. And we want to show that our writing is research based. We maybe want to highlight a piece of information, accentuate a central idea, or offer more perspectives on our information. Because I'm writing about Malala, I want to show her. I want people to understand only in a way that she can tell them. So I'm going to look to see where I can add my quote. I want to add quotes with purpose. I don't just want to throw them in just because I feel like it. So, reading over, I see that I'm talking about how important school was to her, but I don't really seem like I have a lot right there. So, when Malala was young, school was very important to her. So, I want to add something, and maybe I'll put it in a different color. I want to add something that really shows who she is. Okay, so I'll say Malala once said, and I need to make sure I get the quote directly. I need to make sure it's the exact quote. Let us pick up our books and our pens. Hold on, it's lagging a little bit. There we go. They are the most, we're lagging a little bit. They are the most, there we go, powerful weapon, end quote. So I'm going to add my quote in there. But we know for when we do race, we need to explain our quote. I cannot just say, this shows Malala loves education. No. Okay, that does not make sense. Okay, so I can say something like this. This quote highlights Malala's drive to have every child have an education, period. Okay, I have to keep going. Okay, she believes that anything can be accomplished with an education, period. Okay, so I added in my quote and I led out of my quote. Okay, so I want to make sure that I analyze why I put it in there. I know sometimes we just like to think, oh, well, obviously this makes sense. No, okay? We need to make sure that we actually tell people why we've added in that quote. Okay, so let me think. Oh, you know what? She has another quote that talks about her fight for education that I like. So I want to think, maybe go down to her bottom part over here. Okay, she won the Nobel Peace Prize in 2014. Through this, she has been able to give countless speeches preaching the message of education rights for girls and for children all over the world. Okay. So I'll start my quote. If, and I want to make it a different color. If, we're logging a little bit behind. If one man can destroy everything, why can't one girl change it? You know, Malala has said about her journey. Malala knows that she has power and that she needs to keep fighting and keep talking. Hold on, we gotta let it load. She's keep fighting, keep talking about her passion for educational rights for everyone. Okay, once again, I didn't just say, clearly Malala wants to change the world. That's what that quote says. No. Okay, Malala knows that she has power and that she needs to keep fighting, keep talking about her passion for educational rights for everyone. Okay, so we add quotes to make sure that we are bringing our person to life. Okay, we're trying to convey something that only our person can say. We also add in quotes to show that the writing is research-based or evidence-based. We want to highlight a piece of information. We want to accentuate our central idea or main idea, or we want to offer more perspectives on this information. Okay, we want to make sure we use our quotations with a purpose. Okay, good luck adding in your quotes today.